nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.
Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about this guy that I've had for the longest that I can remember. So I've had this guy for so long, and I've been thinking about uh, bringing him back to on the road because he just been chilling in my house, eating food, occupying the space in my house. But then again, I've been thinking of how to revive it, put it more into useful, so that we can help each other. Where I feed him, he feeds me back. Yeah, and today for the longest, ever since I moved in this place that I am, in this house that I am, he has never stepped out. So this being 2025, I have great plans for him, plans to revive him, plans to bring him back. So here is my guy, chilling, very strong, and just for them, this guy is very strong and uh, he is alive. There's just one thing that is keeping him from doing or working how he's supposed to be working. Oh, this is the guy that I'm talking about.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.
I've had this bike for, is it three, maybe 3 4 years. Uh, I've used it. I used it for maybe for months. Then the guy retired from working. This is the main reason why I do not ride this bike because uh, the rim is worn out, and there is no way I can take it for mending. Is it mending or repair? This is beyond repair, and so I just have to buy another one, another rim. This is the rare rim, so I have to buy two of them so that this guy can go back on the road because I love this thing. I love this bike. It's so unique. The 70 spikes on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10. So these are 70 on this rear rim and 70 on the front rim. Yes. And the many spikes are the ones that are making this bike look so unique. These many spikes are the ones that make this bike look so unique. And I have had options where I can just buy the normal rim, but I do not want that. I want to try as much as I can. If I'll not find the exact one, I'll go for the lesser spikes. Any other thing on this bike is very in place. Is very in place because the brakes are working. It's just that I removed them and I stored them somewhere because what's the need if I'm not using the bike for them to be here? So I have kept them so well. They're just waiting for that day that I will find the two ribs, right? Because this is my heart. Anyone that for the bike enthusiasts, for the bike lovers, very simple. You you will never give out. No one will ever give up their bike unless otherwise. But for anyone that owns a bike, it is very hard just to give it away. Before I bought it, a friend had it. It was brand new. It had everything, the brakes, the tires were new. It was brand new in general. So I was interested in the bicycle, and I told the owner that I wanted to buy it. I told him my interest or my amount that I had. He refused because of course the bicycle was new. So kept on persuading him to sell for me the bicycle, to sell me the bicycle. He refused. Uh, I let that slide away because the amount that he wanted, I couldn't afford at that time. So after some times, I saw him with the bike again. I went and told him, but this time he told me that he had found a client who was even ready to offer more a big amount than what he the than the marked price that he had put out. He had told me. So I told him, okay, that's fine because I couldn't uh, I couldn't give more or pay the amount that he wanted. So I let that slide 20, I think 2020 came. I saw the bicycle in the bike being read by the different people where I was staying. But then again, fast forward, we met because we are friends. We used to meet each and every day. About after 7, 8 months, I asked him, do you still have that bicycle? Do you still have that bike? He told me yes, but he told me it was in a very bad condition. I told him, can I see it? Because I was still interested. If you are a bike person, you know, if you want a bike, you want a bike. And if you want, I'm that person that if I want something, I have to get it. No matter what. I just have to get the thing legally, of course, not stealing, not doing any other thing. So the day I went to see the bike, I was I was surprised because surprised in a, can I say in a bad or maybe good way, because the rear tire had worn out. Nothing was on this bicycle because they had misused it. They had it was beyond repair. So by the time I was being shown, it has stayed in the store for almost maybe 5 months. He gave me an amount that I should pay. I bargained, of course. He wanted was it 5,000? Maybe 5,000. But the bike was in a very bad condition. So I told him I can only offer 3,000. Yeah, he agreed. I went and took the bicycle. Truly speaking, I paid for 1,500, and I've never paid the the remaining balance. I think I'm not that bad. Then I started buying things like brakes, the rear mud guard, a new tire. The rear tire is a new one. I bought it. I bought the brakes. I bought almost everything just to revive this bike. So fast forward, I used it for about 2 months, 2 months, 3 months, and then I realized that the rims started. The rims were bad. They were very in bad condition because I was using it, and the more I was riding the bicycle, the rims were being pressed or compressed, something like that. So that's why you see these rims in that condition. The reason why I'm making this video is to ask the bicycle owners in Kenya, even abroad, because these rims are so rare. I realized that these rims, I was told that they are not being produced anymore. I think it is a UK based rims. They are manufactured in the UK. So I'm asking for any bike owner that has or can lead me to finds these rims, kindly comment, leave a comment so that we can maybe negotiate about it. Maybe we can negotiate about it, and so if you can't negotiate, maybe you can lead me to where I can find the exact rims. I don't want to just buy any other rims like the normal rims and put it on this bicycle, because these rims are the ones that are making me think, or are making this bike look so unique, because it has 70 spikes or 70 spokes at the rear wheel, and the 70 spokes are spikes, something like that, at the front wheel. So in total it is 140 spikes, and I feel like I should look for the exact rims. That's why this bike has been sitting in my house for the longest, and now it is time for putting it out on the road, because why should a bike just stay in my house? It is in good condition, mark you. If you've watched until this far, then thank you for your support, thank you for your time. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for even more videos in future. And leave a comment if you think, or should I just give it as a giveaway, as a gift. If you think that I should give out as a gift, also leave a comment in this comment section, and yeah, we will see how I can do it. But first, I have to know if I can find these rims, because this bike is so dear to me. It is a unique one. It is one of those bikes that you just want to have them in your life. These are the things that you just want to have them in your life, even if you are not using them. So thank you. At least in my life, I have something. Yeah, for the bike enthusiasts, for the bike lovers, kindly refer me, refer me to where I can find this rim. So if I'll find this rim, I'll definitely put into apps, and yes, let's meet in the next video.